competition. First is backed by Thoitoipa Haisnam of class 7 for Manipuri. Second position is backed by Hoisna Thongbam Chanu. Second position. And the third position is backed by Robin Chandra of class 6. Grab your hand down there. Now, after we get through with the category, we now have the semi-category. Semi-category English is a competition. First position is backed by Yaifava of class 10. Second position is backed by Vidya Gojok. Vidya Gojok. Third position is backed by Anjali Karti and Jacob Elgin. For the Manipuri competition semi-category, first positions are backed by Victoria and Victor. Now, second positions are backed by Haisnam Sylvia and Angelina. And the fourth positions are backed by Jelena and Bundu. I hope that you will enjoy in your next competition too. After you finish all your exams for every school, we will organize one grammar competition. There, the grammar competition will be included. I'm going to tell you the topics. Letter writing, essay writing, application writing, notice writing, article. Understand? This 5, out of this 5, 3 will be included. Only 30 marks. Maybe 50 marks also. 5 marks per question. Okay? Students that got 15 out of 15, you will be liable to get the prizes. We will organize once the MPS and the MPS Maria examinations complete. Once the Maria and MPS examination complete, we will organize a grammar competition. Am I clear to you? The date will be announced once the examination is over for the 2 schools. Okay? In Bangladesh, you are going to have a certification after 21. By 22nd, you are going to have a certification for 3 days. But you know, after you come up, you can start practicing for this in order to get your institution in the name list. Because only one student of the Imphal Valley have gone through with the first position of Manipuri as a competition. And others, none of the Imphal Gallians are included in this essay competition because none of them did not participate due to the examination. Okay? Due to the examination. But class 11, they don't have exam. Therefore, they attend the exam. However, they back the first. It's a very good fortune or a good work by the Imphal Valley student. Let's give a big hand for Imphal.